Now I just stopped for a pit stop. I've got my bottle of Newcastle Brown and had a packet of my favourite McCoy crinkle cut beef chips. And whilst I was observing, I looked up and I saw a squirrel dray. That could have been where Providence came from, because I can see one other, but there's no more. There's only two in this whole wood. And then I looked up at this tree in front of me and I saw that there's about 5 woodpecker holes, and having sat here for about 20 minutes, the red and black spotted woodpeckers are paying me no mind. And so I'm going to see if we can hone in on those guys and get a close-up. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. I wonder if she's going to be going in. I wonder if that's hers. I suppose she's got eggs at this moment in time. Or maybe very, very young. There's a few of them. Oh, this one here